This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use File in PubG Mobile on iPhone. Open Files, find the downloaded file, and prepare to move it into the PubG Mobile Documents folder. Make sure file names match the game's expected format and that you have enough storage. Grant any required permissions in Settings so the app can access files. Finally, restart PubG Mobile so the game detects the new file. Start by locating the file in Files and using Move to place it in the PubG Mobile Documents folder. If the file is compressed, extract it first so the game can read individual files. Confirm the file name matches the expected pattern and grant files access to PubG Mobile in Settings if asked. After moving, relaunch the game to allow it to index and apply the new content. If PubG Mobile does not recognize the file, verify the file integrity and format, then re-attempt the transfer. Use Settings to revoke and re-grant files access to refresh permissions. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall PubG Mobile, but remember to back up your saved data first to avoid data loss. Small typos in file names often cause failures, so double-check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.